Alright guys, good afternoon. I am coming to you from Benson, Arizona. I am coming to you from the Amtrak station here. Let's check out what's at this Amtrak stop. Let's go make some memories. Alright, I can tell you right now there is not much here. See, there's Benson, Arizona, Amtrak. It's got the information here on shuttles, different transportations to other areas around here. Because this station's kind of, it's east of Tucson. This right here, folks, this right here is your train station. That's it. It says Amtrak train stops here, board at this location. That has the phone number and the website. So there is no train station here. So this is another one of those ones where you have to buy your train tickets ahead of time before you get here, I'm guessing. They have all your reservations and stuff booked. But here you go, looking down the tracks. Yeah, it's hot here. It's about 100 degrees here today. I mean, it is July. And then here's your view looking back the other way. Every time I stop at one of these train stations, I never see the train. I saw the Pacific Surfliner in San Diego, but that's it. Every other time, it's just an empty station, empty tracks. But this is what the train tracks look like here. And this is the station. It's going to be a very quick tour. There's not much I can do about that. Also in Benson, there's a Circle K back here. There's a little cafe where you could grab a bite to eat. A Speedway gas station here. Another convenience store there. And then over here is the old Benson ice cream stop. So if you got a sweet tooth, you want to get a little bit of ice cream before you hop on the train, right over there. There's also a bank over there too if you need to do any transactions. And then if you want to pick up some snacks and some drinks, the Speedway, the Circle K that are over there, it's going to be a lot cheaper than buying it on the train. I'm just trying to help everybody out and make your Amtrak trips easier and more affordable. Hope you guys enjoyed checking this out. At least the mountains in the background are beautiful. Let me give you a little panorama of the whole entire train station. This is it. My guess is they probably only get a passenger or two that hop on or off here every so many days, because most people are just going to go a little further west and probably go to Tucson. Or the next stop, I believe, to the east is Lordsburg, New Mexico. But this was it.